In this video, I'm going to show you can easily recover deleted post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And let's get started first guys. We need to open up Instagram app. And now I'm gonna open up my Instagram profile. And now I'm just gonna delete some post. Let it be a dead one, so I'm gonna open it up. Then hit right here at 3 dots. Then tap Add Delete and then to confirm it. We need to tap right here, Add Delete, and once it is done, the post will be immediately hidden from our Instagram profile. As you can see, it is no longer displayed here, however. Actually, it is not permanently deleted yet, because we can easily restore any deleted post, store any another item within 30 days. And let me show you how we can easily do so. Right from our profile page. First, we need to tap right here at these 3 lines. After that, you want to tap at your activity. And that's where we can easily find the recently deleted. That's where all that deleted content is. Lord, that's where we can find it here. It says that only you can see these boss and these boss here. Actually, I got but you may have multiple boss here. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown here has passed. So now within these amount of days, we can open up any deleted post. And now all we have to do in order to restore is just stop right here at this button or tap at 3 dots and then hit at Restore. After that, tablet Restore to confirm it. And that's basically it. It says here restored. We can head over back to our Instagram profile. I'm gonna refresh it now. As you can see, this post is back here again. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button